Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Three Little Birds on bass. Start with the E minor chord. Play the root note E on the 7th fret of the A string. Follow a steady, reggae-inspired rhythm. This foundational groove sets the stage for the entire song. Maintain a relaxed feel, letting the notes ring out for their full duration. We will build upon this simple pattern as we progress. The verse section introduces a few more chords. You'll move from E minor to a minor, then to D major. For a minor, play the A on the 5th fret of the E string. For D major, play the D on the 5th fret of the A string. Keep the rhythm consistent, emphasizing the root notes and adding a subtle bounce. This creates the signature reggae feel. The chorus section largely mirrors the verse in terms of chord progression. Continue with the E minor, A minor, and D major sequence. The key is to maintain the relaxed, steady rhythm you've developed. Ensure your transitions between the E, A, and D notes are fluid and precise. This consistency helps drive the song's uplifting message. To master this bass line, begin practicing at a slow tempo, gradually increasing your speed. Pay close attention to the original recording to internalize the song's feel and timing. Once comfortable, try adding very subtle rhythmic variations, like a short slide or a ghost note, to personalize your playing. Remember, consistency and feel are paramount.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.